Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Let's discuss about input devices. An input device is a piece of hardware used to provide data to a computer used for interaction and control. It allows input of raw data to the computer for processing. An input device is a device that sends data to the computer and allows you to interact and control it. The keyboard and mouse are the most common and most frequently used input devices on a computer. However, dozens of other devices can also be used to enter data into the computer. Let's discuss about other input devices. Other input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, graphic tablet, microphone, MICR. MICR is magnetic ink card reader, OCR, optical character reader, barcode reader, optical mark reader, that is OMR. Keyboard is the most common and very popular device which helps to input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys provided for performing additional functions. Figure shows keyboard. Keyboards are of two sizes, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys. But now the keyboards with 104 and 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. On a computer keyboard, there are different types of keys like typing keys, numeric keys, function keys, control keys, and special purpose keys. Let's discuss about these types of keys. Typing keys. These keys include the letter keys A to Z and digit keys 0 to 9, which generally give the same layout as the typewriter. Number keys or the numeric keypad. It is used to enter the numeric data or cursor movement. Generally, it consists of a set of 17 keys are laid out in the same configuration, used by most adding machines and calculators. Function keys. The 12 function keys are present on the keyboard, which are arranged in a row at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a unique meaning and is used for some specific function. Control keys. These keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes 4 directional arrow keys. Control keys also include home, end, insert, delete, page up, page down, control, alternate, escape. These all are control keys. Special purpose keys. Keyboard also contains some special purpose keys such as enter, shift, caps lock, num lock, spacebar, tab, and print screen. Diagram shows the keyboard and the function keys, control keys, special purpose keys, all the keys. There are different types of keyboards are available. Wired keyboard, numeric keypad, ergonomic keyboards, wireless keyboards, USB keyboards, Bluetooth keyboards, and magic keyboards. The another input device is mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is a very famous cursor control device having a small palm-sized box with a round ball at its base, which senses the movement of the mouse and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU when the mouse buttons are pressed. Generally, it has two buttons called the left and the right button, and a wheel is present between the buttons. A mouse can use to control the position of the cursor on the screen, but it cannot be used to enter the text into the computer. Advantages of mouse are: it is easy to use, not very expensive, and it moves the cursor faster than the arrow keys of the keyboard. Figure shows the diagram of mouse. The another input device is joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on the monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. The function of joystick is similar to the mouse. It is mainly used in computer-aided designing and playing computer games. Figure shows the diagram of joystick. The another input device is light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It is used to select a display menu items or the draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of the light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. Figure shows the light pen. The another input device is trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in a notebook computer or a laptop computer instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointer is moved on the screen. Scanner. Scanner is another input device which works more like a photography machine. It is used when some information is available on paper and is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer for further manipulation. Scanner captures the images from the source, which are then converted into the digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. Figure shows the scanner. Digitizer. Digitizer is the another input device which converts analog information into a digital form. Digitizer can convert the signal from the television camera into a series of numbers that could be stored in a computer. They can be used by the computer to create a picture of whatever the camera had been pointed at. Digitizer is also known as a tablet or graphics tablet because it converts graphics and pictorial data into binary inputs. A graphic tablet as a digitizer is used doing fine works of drawing and images manipulation applications. Figure shows the digitizer. The another input device is MICR, that is Magnetic Ink Character Reader. MICR input device is generally used in bank because of a large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank code number and the check number are printed on the check with a special type of ink that contain particles of magnetic material that are machine readable. This reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition. The main advantage of MICR is that it's fast and less error. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is an input device used for reading barcodes data, that is the data information in the form of dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. It may be a handheld scanner or may be an embedded in a stationary scanner. Barcode reader scans a barcode image, converts it into an alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer to which barcode reader is attached. Figure shows the barcode reader. OMR, that is optical mark reader. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of few alternative is to be selected and marked. It is specially used for checking the answer sheets of examination having multiple choice questions. Figure shows the optical mark reader. OCR is a optical character reader. OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. OCR scans the text optically, characters by the character, converts them into machine readable code and stores the text on the system memory. Figure shows the optical character reader.